Hey, hope everybody's doing all right. Man, I'm getting so close to getting this Model A on the road. All I'm waiting on is some paperwork and a few of those little projects that get in the way of just getting out on the road in this thing and driving. Follow along today as I knock out one of those little projects and get that much closer to getting on the road. Alright, so here it is, the old bad hombre. Dying to get out and drive this thing, and you guys know how it goes with the DMV, and sometimes that takes a while, and paperwork and whatnot. And that's okay, I can't help that. But there's one thing I can help, and that's making sure this thing is ready as soon as I get my license plates. And one of the biggest thing is, obviously, I don't have a place to bolt the license plate to. So I got about 45 minutes before I got to be doing something else. So I want to knock out this quick little project today and build a license plate holder for the Model A. Alright, so I got to put a license plate on the car, build a license plate holder so when I do get a plate I can bolt it in there. So the first thing I need to do is rifle through some old license plates, find the one that seems pretty good, and we can test it out. Let's go with, what do we want to go with? We got Colorado, we got Oklahoma. How about we do some Oklahoma? What I want to do is determine the best place to put this license plate. You know, I could do that, just drill some holes, bolt it on there. Yeah, that would work. Not going to do it. I could build something custom. What an easy thing might do to want me to go underneath this light, because this is where my light is for my license plate. Build something that kind of hides it back behind like that. But does that? I don't like how low that hangs. I think what I want to do is I want to come up with something that hides right here in the middle, about like that. Okay? Somewhere in there. Yeah, I think that would work. And then to go about doing it, I have this license plate holder that I robbed off the front of my Jeep. This was bolted to the front bumper and it stuck up. I took it off and just bolted the license plate to the bumper. But obviously this thing needs some work. It's got a little wanger in it there. It needs straightened out. And I don't know why. This is going to drive me crazy. Why is this bracket so offset? Anyway, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start using this bracket. I can probably come in here and come up with a way of bolting this thing onto the bottom lip here of this back pan. Yeah, I can do that pretty easy. But I just need to do some work on this thing first. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to knock out this spot weld on it. Looks like there's probably 2 spot welds. Knock those out and then put this thing on the old dolly and try to straighten that thing out. Maybe I'll reuse this piece of bent metal as well, or get another piece as we figure out something that can mount on there. And somewhere I have a license plate light that I'll have to wire in as well. So we'll give that a shot. Let me work here a little bit on that and I'll bring you back when I think I have a good solution. Alright, so here's what I've come up with. I've went through some various pieces of scrap metal over in the bin. I even separated those at the spot welds and straightened that guy up and thought I could use it. But here's my issue. It's really dumb. This doesn't line up like if I bolt to that, the top of the license plate sticks up above it, so I can't come off of there flush. I'd have to do a bunch of modifying. I don't want that to happen, so I'm just going to start from scratch. I figured out what I can do is I can use this piece of sheet metal here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in like this, and I'm going to hide it back a little ways. So I'm going to take this piece of sheet metal where it bolts probably 2 places like this here in the center, just on this lip. And I can't go too far because I only have, half of an inch that I can bolt to before it runs into the, I don't know what that's called, that channel right there. But I can only go so far before I can, so deep. So like a 1/4 inch bolt would work. But I'm going to bolt it 2 places and have it run back a little ways and then break down. And that should be pretty easy. If I just break it down like a 90 degree, put a couple holes in it, it can hang down like about like that. And I'll bolt my plate to it, and I can put my light right on that as well. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that, but I got to try to make it look pretty in the process too, or at least not look too ugly. So yeah. This little light will go on there like that. It'll make a break. What could possibly go wrong? All right, let's see what we do. Alright guys, got her fabricated pretty good. And I did my specialty black paint on it. Ran it a little bit even, that's great. You won't be able to tell. But I got my light mounted on there and my holes drilled, and I got my matching holes drilled underneath that lip on the bottom. And I went ahead and welded in, just tack welded these bolts on here so that I can just slip the plate on, and I have some acorn nuts that I can drop on there. Got my wiring even set up, so now I just need to go lay under the car a little bit, bolt that up, connect some wiring, and we'll be ready to smoke test this thing and see if it works. Alright guys, I got it all buttoned up. You guys have to tell me what you think. Check it out. That's obviously, again, my test plate. I'm not from Oklahoma, or living in Oklahoma, but that's just one I had laying around. So there you go, it's bolted in, it's pretty sturdy, light works. It meets my objective. I didn't want it dangling down here too low. It doesn't hang below the rear diff. And when you get back, I just wanted it to kind of be subtle and hidden a little bit. But if you got down, you could see what you needed to see on it. So that's good. I think I need to put a frame around it. But that's a project for another day. We're gonna call that good for now. There you go. Just a little quick project. One more thing, just get this deal buttoned up. Hopefully get it on the road. Hopefully I'll be bolting my own license plates on the car here pretty soon. If I do, you guys will be the first to find out. All right, I got a lot of other projects going on. Obviously, we got Operation Go-Kart happening in here as we're getting ready to turn an old custom wagon into a go-kart. So, all right. Hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Put a little comment down there. Let me know what you think about how this project turned out. Take care.